Continuing on with that series, Mojo Hunting, I've pulled out a few bits and pieces, and now it's up to the group to decide what might be good or not. I've used a colour wheel from the colour of this plate to generate potential colours to go with it. I'm thinking in my mind, but please, let's make this a really, truly group activity. I don't get offended easily. I thought this would be really nice for his hat. The edge of his hat, flowers on the hat. And there needs to be some bling of some sort because we've got silver. This colour green, a sort of an emerald green, was suggested as being a good part of the mix. So I've got those green tiles and some really dark green tiles here, should we need it. Some bronze, because sort of like this burnt orange, bronzy brownies was also suggested as a good option. An orange beard I thought might be really cute. But then that comes back to how do I do the nose? And I was thinking, because we really want this mostly to be crockery, to put my hands around the area of the cone where his nose might be roughly, then I probably want something about that round with reasonably straight sides, and that way I'll get a curved nose and sculpt a curved nose. What are your thoughts about that concept? Then I thought, well, where on earth am I going to find that? So maybe I couldn't figure what colour nose would go really well. I was thinking, oh, maybe a nice big fat red nose, and that was like, oh, no, I don't think so. But then maybe. The other thing that is useful, of course, is where we've got, I don't know if you know, this part of the plate is called a cheek. But I'm not sure if that just bends too much, where I can just cut a nose and shape a nose from this part of the plate. It's just an ordinary plate, and I'll be using this. This series of plates are always really quite battered and bruised and used, but the bottoms of them are terrific. They've still got their solid porcelain. Or do we want to be like really out there and maybe give him a blue spotty nose? Or even a grey stripy nose? Okay, go for it.